Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another natural hair video. So when I went to Ghana, honestly my hair went through a lot, like being cornrowed, braided, blow dried, and the ultimate most. So when I got back, I decided to do the Bentonite clay mask on my hair just to strengthen it a bit more, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did the process with the mask. All I used was the Bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of water. And yeah, pretty much put it through my hair, let it sit there for, I believe I left it on for like 45 minutes to an hour, just till it got hard. Like the Bentonite clay makes your hair really hard, but once you wash it out, it will be okay, so don't worry, it's all good. Anyways, I'll show you guys exactly how the process went. Let's get right into the video. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I purchased my Bentonite clay from Amazon. This is my apple cider vinegar and some water. So I put 5 tablespoons of the Bentonite clay in some water. Up next, I add some of my apple cider vinegar. Honestly, I just gauged it with my eyes to get the right consistency that I wanted. So I mixed it till I got a smooth consistency that I thought was perfect for my hair. So I just came out of the shower. I just wet my hair a bit because you want to put the clay on wet hair and not on your dry hair. So as you can see here, I'm just detangling my hair a bit, and then I will divide it in 4 sections. So I divide each section in smaller pieces and then start applying the clay to it. After I add the clay to the section, I go back and separate the individual strands to make the curls pop a bit more. And that's all I do for the rest of my hair. This is how my hair looks like once it's completely done. So now I'm just going to let it dry for about 45 minutes to an hour. So this is after an hour and I believe 30 minutes because I actually decided to go cook. Anyways, my hair literally looks like grass and it's super hard. But yeah, this is how it essentially looks once it's dried up. So this is how my hair looks once I washed it out. Honestly, my hair felt very soft. The curls were popping and I was just excited. So right after, all I did was put castor oil in my hair and did my ECOSTYLER gel routine. And that was about it. Thank you for watching. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.